Good evening, my third graders. Tonight's essential question is what strategies can we identify to divide with 8 and 9? For example, in this word problem, it says Max is building a structure with Legos. He has 56 Legos for the first part of the building. He needs to separate the Legos into 8 piles. How many Legos will be in each pile? So we all know the first thing you do in a word problem is circle the important information, 56 and 8. So our division sentence would look like this. The dividend being 56 divided by the divisor being 8. Now, if you don't know 56 divided by 8, there are a couple of ways that we've learned to divide if we don't know the quotient. So, first of all, you can use the repeated subtraction. If you don't know the inverse operation, like what times 8 equals 56, then you can use the repeated subtraction because we know that's what division is. So, here we go. You take the 56 and you take the first group of 8 away and get 48. Then 48 minus 8 we know is 40. 40, take another group of 8 away. 40 minus 8 is 32. 32 minus 8, 24. 24 minus 8, 16 minus 8, and 8 minus 8. Now, how many times did you have to take 8 away from 56? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you had to take 7 groups of 8 out of 56. So now you know the answer to your quotient, or you know the quotient is 7. Easy peasy. And then you know all your times facts for 8 too, at least up to 7. 8 times 0 is 0, 8 times 1 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, and all the way up to 48. Good review. Okay, next page. Lola and Cameron are dividing 27 scented pencils into 9 groups. How many pencils will go into each group? Now, what does this division sentence look like? Again, circle the important information. 27 divided by 9 equals, what would the inverse operation be, third grade? You'd have to say 9 times what equals 27. And then you'd have your quotient. And if you don't know what it is, if these methods don't help you, remind yourself that 9 is really just 3 times 3. Now, when you think of 9 as 3 times 3, you can divide 27 by the first 3. So break it up into the factors. 27 divided by 3 is what, third grade? 9. So, divide the 9 by the 3 and you get the final answer of 3. So 27 divided by 9 is 3. So do you see what we're doing? We just broke the 9 down into its factors. 3 times 3 is 9. Right? So you divided the 27 by 3 first, which was one of the factors, and got 9. Then you divide 9 by 3 and get 3. You get it? So 27 divided by 9 would equal 3. You can break those numbers into their factors if you're not sure of what the quotient is. The exit ticket for tonight, you got it. Develop a division word problem with an 8 or a 9 as one of the factors. Solve the word problem and explain what method you use to determine the quotient. If you want to tell me a couple of ways that you can get to it, that would be a good opportunity for some extra credit. All right, have a great night. I'll see you in the morning.